Putting them back together?
Yep.
Does it still work?
Yep. Oh.
Okay. There's up.
There's down.
Alright. Let's see if it works after you put it back together.
Yep. Hey Taya, we got it to work. I fixed it. Where? Not that time. There's a screwdriver.
Oh.
You got it? Yes, we fixed it. Look. Watch there. Watch this. See this back? You gotta press it down, back. Got it. Yay. I'm gonna wait for Leelyn. Yep. That's okay. Where would this go? Oh, hey, is there another screw in the floor over there?
No.
Third one will hold this on.
Let me see.
This one will go right in here.
Is there only one screw or is there two?
One to hold this one in.
Doesn't it go in the middle?
Oh, did it miss it? It's the wrong screw. Look, it's the wrong screw.
Well, it should still work.
Yeah, let's see if it works.
Wrong way. There you go.
Okay.
Righty tighty. The top of the screw goes to the right. The top of the screw goes to the right.
Oh. Nope. That might not be the right screw.
It's old plastic. It's not going to matter too much. Come on. Here. Leelyn. That's the thing about screws. They have ways of forcing themselves in to places. Wait a minute.
What?
Does this just hang loose, or is there something else that goes in front of this?
No, there's nothing.
So it just hangs loose?
Here, hold this. I know what for it. Oh no, wait. Here's part that up. Problem is we can't do this one. It's too long.
Then you gotta get, that's why your screwdriver set has a stubby screwdriver.
Mine?
Yeah? But that's
mine.
not too bad. Just put the screw in. It should hold it in place.
Look at it, it goes in. Yep.
That probably lines it up right with the hole and keeps it straight. Screws just go in a lot better when they're straight. Alright.
Let's test it. Ready? Okay. Hey, we gotta do it. Hey.
Ta-da!